Class Pisces. The word Pisces comes from the Indo-European root pesc. It means fish. They are exclusively aquatic animals. They obtain oxygen dissolved in water by using gills. The animals of Pisces have streamlined body and have fins and a muscular tail which is used for movement. They have a cartilaginous or bony skeleton. The skin is covered with scales or plates. They are cold-blooded animals, that is, their body temperature changes with change in atmospheric temperature. Their heart is two-chambered. Their eyes are without eyelids. They have nostrils. They lay eggs. Some common examples of Pisces are Scoliodon, dogfish, Syncheuropus, mandarin fish, Pterois, lionfish, electric ray, stingray, etc.